How to fix the Wi-Fi is grayed out on your iPad. So if you're unable to click on Wi-Fi, I'll show you how to go and solve this. Now you need to start by power cycling the device. You can do this by pressing the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button at the top of the iPad. Now continue to hold this button down for about 30 seconds. You'll see a black screen. Continue to hold the button down. Now once you see the Apple logo appear, you can then release the lock screen button. You can then go and restart your iPad, and you can check to see if you can now connect to the Wi-Fi. If you're still having an issue, you need to go and load up the settings on your iPad. Scroll down on the left hand side to Screen Time. Click on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and just make sure this is toggled to off like so. Now on the left hand side, scroll up and click on General. You can then scroll down the settings page and press Transfer or Reset iPad. Click on Reset and then press Reset Network Settings. You may need to enter the passcode to your iPad to confirm these changes. Once you've done this, you can then head back over to your settings, and you should now be able to click on the Wi-Fi button.